Are you done over there? Are you done?
She's out of breath.
Yeah, you gotta take a breather there, babe.
Of the population actually voted in this election. So this is a really historic